What's up, everybody? It's still a little slow around the new homestead. So today we're still at our current house, or our soon to be old house, or however you want to look at it. And since we're leaving, the mill that bought this place actually stopped by the other day, and I was talking to the guy, and he said they're turning this whole place into, like, they're just extending their log yard. So everything's being demolished. The trees, the house, anything that's left is gonna be wiped out. So what I'm back here doing is I'm taking trees. I'm taking trees to bring to the other property to mill. Now this, I thought it was a red fir when I was looking at it from far away. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if it is though. Some type of fir. But we're gonna cut it down and bring it to the other property to mill. You can see it's split. Oh, I think that's probably 12 feet up, 15 feet up. So I can get 12s out of that. I can get 2x4 by 12s out of this lower section here. And then from the top, we'll see what we get. That's what I'm going for. I'm going to get, or trying to get some 2x4s out of this to save some money on lumber cost. See what we can get, because I ordered that Alaskan mill. So hopefully we'll save some money doing that. I got this little thing out here. I buried my file for my Husky, so I brought this out. It's got a full battery and it's sharp. It was left out overnight, but we're gonna see if we can fall this tree with this little saw. I'm not too worried about this fence. I'm hoping to fall it straight into this field because there's actually access right here. So I'm hoping to fall it more or less towards those old hay bales there. And I should be able to drive the trailer in there and get that tractor back here and pick up maybe 12-foot chunks, set them on the trailer, drive them on down. So yeah, we'll set this up and see if we can make this tree hit the ground. It'll be fun. Now, whenever you're falling almost any tree of size at least, you want to clear it out all around the base of it to give yourself an escape route. You want to have ample room to just run away if shit hits the fan real quick. So this gives me plenty of room to get out of the way of this thing. It's a decent sized tree. What? Oh, 24 inches across. So we'll see if this little saw will cut it. It's tall. I bet you it's 50 feet. So it's not huge, it's not massive, but it's tall. The wind's blowing perfect for us, so it should go right down. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna try to fall this, or at least cut it and notch it a little high just to get it over this fence. I don't want the fence giving me any trouble here. I think we're gonna barely miss the GoPro. We'll see. It's pushing right at it, but we're gonna try. This will be interesting. That just died there. We should be able to get a little more out of it. It's swaying, it's trying to go. Oh, that's 2 now. It's clicked off twice. Like I said, this little Litheli chainsaw isn't meant for this, but we're going for it. I cut my back cut a little too low. Oh, it's trying. You can see it swaying. Some good wind. Let's get on the other side and cut it really quick. Get her to go. Oh shit. That was pretty anticlimactic. There. There it goes. Woo! Right on the GoPro, I think. Let's see what we got. Oh man. That little, I can't believe this saw cut this tree. Look at it, I'll set it up here. Let's see what we got. So that's it there. This little Litheli cut this tree. You can see it didn't cut it super clean, and my back cut was about 1 inch low, but it came down. So in a pinch it'll work. It barely worked. Let's see how crushed the GoPro is. I hope it's not smushed. Oh, it didn't totally get it. Nice. All right. Well, that's a good deal there. Actually, what I said earlier, I don't think this is a fir. This is some sort of pine. This might be, I don't know what sort of pine this is, but I don't know trees real well. I mostly just burn them. But I think this is a pine. So if anybody knows, maybe comment what it is. The needles, I thought it was a fir, but maybe it's pine. What are you doing?
Hopefully gonna grow some plants.
Oh, ground cover?
Yeah. Hoping. Yeah.
That'd be nice. Yeah. Wanna show people what we got there?
Renee's Garden Scatter Garden Seeds Cover Crop.
Ooh.
Never tried it before, so.
See if it works.
Yeah, we have a hillside that needs cover, so.
Yeah. Pretty much did the whole thing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
Pretty much.
Gets a little rocky and stuff way down there, but.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
For growing.
What's next?
Pick a spot to plant these berries. I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at our sweet blackberry bushes.
Ta-da!
They look like sticks.
All sticks.
That's it.
Guaranteed to grow.
Yeah, I'll believe it when I see it.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. It's just a stick. I bet you that's how the strawberries and raspberries are too.
Yeah.
There's no stick out of that one. How about that? Oh yeah, there's a stick in there. Yeah, lovely.
Fruit.
Paid $8 for a stick. Hopefully they grow. To the top.
Top.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Going to the top. Got my driver.
Chauffeur.
Yeah. I told him, take me to the top. He said, okay,
Winston.
to the top. Over here, you'll see you go up there to the very top, where we're gonna put our little cabin of some sort.
Look out.
Yep.
Fire watch.
Look out. There's gonna be a hammock, fireplace.
Never been down this road.
Yeah.
This will be sweet.
Still exploring.
Brought your chainsaw.
Yeah. Clear some of this up.
Yeah, we'll have to come back in here. This is all still ours here, I think.
Yeah, we should check it on your phone.
Yeah, we'll definitely want to come and clean all this up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk to John and get access.
Right. Tunnel came, or the train came out the other side.
Yeah.
Right in there.
Quiet.
Yeah, it is.
Quiet on this side.
Super quiet.
Tunnel, it's cool.
It is cool.
This is railroad.
Their easement part. But that'd be loud.